Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to change case without formula. Okay, so in this video I will show you first how to make all capital in capital letters, okay, without formula. Then I will show you how to capitalize first letter of the word without formula in Excel. Okay, so if you are using Microsoft Excel, this trick will help you. So what to do? If I convert it with formula, okay, as you know the formula is uh, uppercase upper, okay, and choose the word and you will see it is capitalized, okay, all letter in capital. But the drawback of this use, you will see, if I delete first one, you will see the second one is also deleted. Okay, so this formula is not useful. Okay, so I will show you how to do it without formula. So what you have to do, you have to first type one. Okay, as I want to type this one, okay, in capital letter. Now what you have to do, you have to just go to data, and then here you will see autofill option, this option, okay, flash fill. Just click on it and now you will see all the things will converted into the capital letter. Now I will show you how to make it in capitalized first letter. Okay, then you have to do same thing. Okay, and now you have to go to data, then just click on flash fill. So like this you can convert or change all case without formula in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.